Quick reading for March the 9th to March the 10th. Capricorn, your cards are the Seven of Cups, the Witch of Wands, and the Wheel of Fortune. So, ang nakikita natin dito, marami kasing bagay na tinitignan ngayon si person or probably the last day, weeks, or months, no? What I mean maraming tinitignan is probably it could be, pursuing some other options, pursuing other careers. Things are piling up, no? Um, but ang nakikita natin dito, of all those, whether the options are, whether the third party or the third wheel, pwede siya kasing tao, no? Pwedeng career, pwedeng finances. Parang sa kanya, ang nakikita niya ngayon, ang pinakamahalaga is si Capricorn. Parang no one can buy the amount or no one can parang level the amount, no? Parang this is priceless. The relationship is priceless. So parang ikaw muna ang ipa-prioritize, no? Parang more of dyan muna kayo, aayusin ko yung relationship namin. So this is your quick reading, Capricorn, for March the 9th to March the 10th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.